In this video, we will explain how to make the world record paper airplane. This paper airplane design was used to get the world record distance for a paper airplane. You will need an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and a roll of transparent tape. First, orient the paper in a portrait manner, and then fold the top edge of the paper to the left side edge, creating a 45-degree diagonal fold. Repeat this step for the right side. At the end, there should be an X in the middle of the sheet of paper. Using this X, fold the right edge over to the rightmost crease. Repeat this step for the left side. When both sides are folded over each other, a small diamond should appear in the center of the piece of paper. Using the bottom corner of the small diamond in the center of the paper, use that as a guideline to fold the top half of the paper onto the bottom half. When doing this, use the bottom edges of the diamond and line them up with the edges of the fold that you made in step 4 in order to make the fold correctly. Once you complete this fold the top right corner of the paper along the edge line that was used in the previous fold. Repeat this for the top left corner. Once you turn the paper 90 degrees and flip it over so that there's no folds showing towards you, fold the entire paper in half. Make sure that the entire paper is symmetric. And make sure that the points at the nose and at the top of the paper line up in order to make the paper airplane fly as far as possible. Orient the paper so that the nose is pointed to the left side. Fold the angled edge of the paper to the long straight edge of the paper. When doing so, make sure that the small straight edge of the paper lines up with the bottom corner of the long straight edge. Also, make sure that when you are completing your fold, that the fold does not cross the nose of the plane. Repeat this step for the other side of the plane. Make sure that the wings are symmetrical to get optimal flying. The last step is to apply transparent tape to the plane. Apply the tape in places where paper can flap around when the paper airplane is flying. Once you've completed all the taping for the paper airplane, angle the wings to approximately 150-degree angle for optimal flying. You've completed the world record paper airplane.